Hey everyone, welcome back to Legit or Scam, the channel where we peel back the hype and see what's really going on behind those too good to be true online products. Today, we're diving into a product called WaterBlitz, a high-pressure nozzle that claims to turn your regular garden hose into a jet-powered cleaning beast. Sound impressive, right? According to their website, it boosts water pressure up to 15 times using something they call hydropower technology. Now, hold up 15 times? Let's pause right there. If you've ever handled a garden hose or dealt with plumbing, you probably know this. Water pressure is determined by your home's plumbing system, not the nozzle on the end. A nozzle can focus or narrow the stream, sure, but increase pressure 15x? Unless there's a motor or pump involved, that's not just a stretch, it's flat out impossible. So what's going on here? Let's look a little closer. First off, I checked their Trustpilot profile, and it's completely empty. 0 reviews. 0 stars. Trust score, 0 out of 5. That's not just a bad rating. That's no rating at all. For a brand claiming to be a revolutionary must-have, that's a major red flag. Usually, legit companies will at least have something from real customers. Even worse, the domain waterblitz.com was only registered on March 25th, 2025. That's just a couple months ago. Not saying every news site is shady, but when you pair that with exaggerated claims and no reviews, it starts to look suspicious. Now, let's talk about the site itself. It's full of classic pressure tactics. Only 17 left in stock. Flash sale ends in 2 hours, 10 minutes. But here's the kicker. The timer resets every time you refresh the page. That's a classic dropshipping trick to create panic and make you check out before doing your research. And the product photos? A bunch of them are clearly lifted from stock image libraries or reused from unrelated websites. No real user photos, no original demo videos, just the same overly dramatic before and after shots we've seen 100 times before. Honestly, if this product was really as good as they claim, you'd think they'd show actual results from real customers. Now here's the part that really seals the deal. You can find the exact same nozzle on sites like AliExpress or Amazon for under $10. Same shape, same color, same attachments, just without the branding and sky-high price. So what WaterBlitz is doing is classic. They slap a flashy name on a basic item, give it a limited time offer, and sell it at a massive markup. So, is WaterBlitz legit or a scam? I'll say this. You'll probably get something in the mail, but it's unlikely to perform anywhere near how they're marketing it. It's not an outright scam in the sense that you get nothing, but it's highly misleading, full of marketing fluff, and the product is nothing unique. If you're looking for a solid pressure washer or nozzle, there are way better reviewed and better priced options out there, from brands that actually show test results, real customer reviews, and don't rely on sketchy urgency tactics. If you still want to check it out for yourself, I've included discounted links in the description and pinned comment, just in case they drop the price enough to be worth it. But honestly, do your research and compare before buying. All right, that's it for today's breakdown. If you come across WaterBlitz or tried it already, let me know your experience in the comments. And if there's another product you want me to investigate, drop it below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more truth bombs coming your way. Catch you in the next one.